Your company just announced AI automation. Maybe it was a town hall. Maybe it was a Slack message from leadership. Maybe it was a whisper between colleagues that turned into an all-hands meeting. And now you're sitting with a question you don't quite want to say out loud. Am I going to be replaced? Here's the truth. Some roles will change. Some will shrink. But the professionals who move first, who understand what's happening and position themselves deliberately, those are the ones who end up on the other side of this with more leverage, not less. By the end of this, I'm Kenny Thompson. I'm the founder of beupwardly.tech. The first mistake people make when AI automation is announced is that they react emotionally before they've gathered any facts. Before you update your CV, before you book a Python course, before you do anything, you need to understand what is actually being automated at your organization. Not what the press release says, not the LinkedIn post from your CEO, what the work says. Start by asking 3 specific questions. 1. Which processes in my team are being targeted first? Most AI rollouts begin with high-volume, repetitive tasks. Data entry, report generation, document processing, ticket triage. 2. What is the expected timeline? AI announcements and AI deployments are often 6 to 18 months apart. You have more time than the announcement implies. 3. Who is being brought in to implement this? Is it an internal team, a consultancy, a vendor? That answer tells you where the skills gap is and where you can insert yourself. 3 months from now, you could have FinOps analyst on your LinkedIn. Not because you retrained for years, not because you learned to code, because you spent 2 weeks on the FinOps Career Intensive, walked through real case studies, and built a portfolio piece you can show in any interview. Then, 12 more weeks on the accelerator, live coaching, independent practice, a LinkedIn recommendation from me, and a certificate of completion. This is the most direct route I know into one of tech's highest paid non-technical roles. The FinOps Cloud Literacy Foundation is live now. £49. The intensive starts in 1 week. £697. The accelerator runs for 12 weeks. £1,297. Link in bio. Your next chapter starts now.